Now that you're registered, let's make your quarterly submission to HMRC using AbraTax. Open your AbraTax dashboard and select your registration. You'll see your obligations organised into 3 sections, depending on what applies to you. You can also update your from and to dates at the bottom to match your quarterly period. Let's file a self-employment return. Click File Return to begin. Click Example Upload Template to download the MTD Excel file for that income type. This is the official AbraTax template. Here's an example of a small business working file, a bakery's daily income and expenses. All transactions are stored digitally, and a summary sheet uses simple SUMIF formulas to total each category, providing the figures needed for the AbraTax import. Now we'll split the screen. On the left, your business records. On the right, the AbraTax template. Click on the AbraTax_MTD_import tab and move it into your records spreadsheet. Next, digitally link your data. Click the first empty box in the template, type equals, then navigate to your summary sheet and click the corresponding figure, like turnover, and press Enter. Repeat this process for each category. For any categories you don't use, simply enter 0. When all links are complete, right-click the AbraTax_MTD_import tab, choose Move or Copy, select New Book, and click OK. The Import tab moves to a new workbook. Save it as a CSV file. Click File, Save As, and CSV. Return to AbraTax, open the Upload box, and drag and drop the CSV file. A confirmation message appears once the file uploads successfully. Review all values carefully. The file can be saved as a draft for later submission or sent immediately to HMRC. Click Submit to HMRC. The status now updates to Submission Submitted. Click on the Here text to see your self-employment data submitted to HMRC. The Calculations tab shows an estimated profit and tax summary for the period. The Final Declaration tab is used at year-end to confirm totals before final submission. All previous updates can be viewed anytime from the Obligations page by selecting View Details. Now, let's see how to file for UK property. Click File Return under UK property and download the template. This is the UK property template. It includes boxes for income, tax deducted, and expense categories like premises costs, repairs, financial costs, and travel. Once filled, save it as a CSV file the same way as before and upload it in AbraTax. The status confirms that the UK property data has been submitted to HMRC successfully. Next, we'll look at foreign property. This template includes columns for each country where income is earned with income and expense categories for every country, along with totals. In another sheet, you'll also find all the country codes to help identify the correct ISO 3-letter codes. Fill in the income and expense figures for each country, then save the file as a CSV. Back in AbraTax, upload it using the same drag and drop box. When uploaded, AbraTax automatically divides the data by country. You'll see the net profit for each country, as well as the total profit across all properties. Once reviewed, click Submit to HMRC. The submission will show as successful, just like the previous ones. You've now completed submissions for self-employment, UK property, and foreign property. Your quarterly updates have been successfully submitted to HMRC through Making Tax Digital using AbraTax.